tap water. Now I will put in some test liquid. Look, it turns yellow, which means there is chlorine. And now I will turn to purified water. No matter how many drops of test liquid are applied, the water does not turn yellow. No matter how many drops of test liquid are applied, the water does not turn yellow, and we know that chlorine has been entirely removed. As people use tap water in washing fruits and vegetables, or rice and in cooking, they tend to get some toxins into their system unknowingly. Hard to believe? Let me show you two simple demonstrations. Let's begin with washing fruit and vegetables. This is tap water. A few drops of test liquid and there it is. The water turns yellow because of the chlorine it contains. Now we will start to wash our fruit and vegetables. You can see that the water turns transparent in just a few seconds. It means the chlorine has been absorbed by the fruit and vegetables that will ultimately end up in your stomach. Next, let's experiment with washing rice, which is known as both delicious and sweet-smelling in Taiwan. Again, most households use tap water to do this. Some drops of test liquid give us the same result, the water turning yellow to indicate its chlorine content. And now we put the rice into the basin and stir it in the water, the way how most housewives in Taiwan always do it. But please see for yourself that the water has actually cleared up. The conclusion is simple. All the chlorine in the water has now been passed on to the rice. Using the Inex Pure Oxygen water to dip fish or defreeze is effective in both keeping it fresh and removing the smell. After cooking, it tastes all the more fresh, tender, and delicious. The next experiment has to do with water's molecular clusters. In the glass are leaves of alpine tea. First, we pour our energized water into the glass, followed by tap water and water purified by other means respectively. The difference readily presents itself. Thanks to its smaller molecular clusters, Inex Pure Oxygen water easily perforates into the cells of the leaves, releasing tea polyphenol instantly. And the tea just tastes sweet and smells good.